Hey, doing the peepees again today. They're getting bigger. They have peach fuzz everywhere now. See? So we got this. We each got 3 syringes or so. This is the littlest one. Oh, it's a darling. Time to eat. Time to eat. Here's the baby. Try to get them to eat 3 syringes of each. That would be nice. That's what I fed them this morning. Before I went to work this morning, I did 3 syringes. But I fed them all night long, every 4 hours. So I have to play it off while I'm at work, you know, that it's their sleeping time. So, see? Yeah. See, they got the peach fuzzy everywhere. Peach fuzzy everywhere. And then we go with this. And we gotta go like this, make sure all the air's out of it. I think this one might be a yellow one. I'm not sure yet. I'm feeding the babies. That's about 2 of them each. Try to do one more. And then we'll resume the every 4 hours. There's the babies. You still hungry? Good job. There you go. Keep going. One more in you. They should be getting full right about now. Let me try this one. Come on. Yeah, they're getting about full now. One more. Good boy. Well, I guess we'll see they'll do another one. We're already at 3 each, approximately. Well, they're still going at it. Yeah, the bigger one eats a lot more. But there we go. See? I think for the most part, this one's going to be a little yellow one, I think. And I think this one will be a green one. I think. I'm not sure. They're definitely growing up. So, there we go.